Welcome back to the Auto Street. Today we're diving deep into the future, exploring the highly anticipated 2026 BMW 3 Series. This upcoming model isn't just another chapter in the 3 Series saga. It's an evolution, a redefinition, and maybe the boldest step BMW has taken in decades. So buckle up, because we're going on a ride through design, performance, tech, and timeline, all without headings, just smooth, stylish narration. As the camera pans across concept renderings and spy shots, we set the scene. Picture a sleek sedan with lines that feel both retro and futuristic. FU is ushering in a bold new era with the Nouvelle class, or a new class, design language, which will leave a lasting imprint across the brand. The 2026 3 Series will embody this new design ethos, promising slimmer, more streamlined kidney grills that wrap around the front face and hint at advanced sensor tech behind them. These grills are not just for show, they're designed to house driver assistance sensors seamlessly, blending form and function. This new generation takes on a more traditional 3-box silhouette, yet with sharper squared-off edges and a planted stance thanks to pronounced wheel arches and a nod to classic BMW proportions, Hofmeister King K and all. There's a nod to BMW past, but it's balanced with a minimalist, modern look that feels fresh. We pivot from the outside to the inside, inviting viewers into a futuristic cabin where eyes on the road, hands on the wheel is more than a mantra. It's the design principle behind the ultra-clean dashboard. Say goodbye to clutter and knobs, say hello to panoramic vision. This new cockpit layout projects instrumentation across the base of the windshield while offering a full-width panoramic iDrive display powered by BMW iX. A 3D head-up display complements it, putting essential info exactly where your eyes are already focused. This isn't just tech for show, it's meant to enhance safety and immersion. BMW claims these embedded projectors handle glare, fog, even polarized sunglasses without missing a beat. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will be supported, though not fully functional on the widescreen preview or HUD unless apps send metadata natively. Now let's talk power. BMW is going full spectrum with both electric and internal combustion variants. The electric model, rumored to be called the i3 sedan, runs on the new class EV platform. It's built on an 800-volt architecture with 6th generation eDrive tech, promising ultra-fast charging. Think about 186 miles, 300 kms, in just 10 minutes. And energy density gains of 20% with 30% more range and 30% faster charge. BMW hasn't confirmed exact range numbers, but estimates suggest well over 400 miles of range for the electric version, putting it in Tesla territory. For traditionalists, the ICE variants won't be left behind. Expect familiar engines like the 2.0-liter Turbo 4 from the 330A, around 255 horsepower, and the 3.0-liter inline 6 from the M340, around 382 HP. Both outfitted with 48-volt mild hybrids, rear-wheel drive standard with xDrive out as an option. Power gets sent through the sharp and smooth ZF8 speed automatic. No manual option this time around. Those scooters don't skimp on performance either. The M340 xDrive variant could clock 0-60 mph in around 4.1 seconds, with fuel numbers still galore intuitive. Tank for tank, 27-29 mpg combined, depending on configuration. Shifting gears to production details, they aim to strike a perfect balance between tradition and innovation. The ICE variants are built on the tried and true CLAR 2 platform, G50, and will start arriving in early 2026 or late 2025, depending on the market, with production in Germany and Mexico. Meanwhile, the electric i3 will be built on the new class platform at a new battery and EV plant in Woodruff, South Carolina. Production expected to begin mid-2026, with deliveries following soon after. When it comes to price, base ICE models may start around $48,675, with higher trim levels and the electric variants commanding a premium, but details are still trickling out. Let's linger on the interior again, because it's a showcase of both luxury and subtlety. subtle innovation. Expect premium materials like leather, open-pore wood, and even carbon fiber in sport trims. And yes, BMW adopting more sustainable materials too, cabin fabrics inspired by the BMW iVision circular that use recycled plastics while feeling luxe. The new curved iDrive 9.0 display is rumored to support gesture and voice controls, boosting that futuristic vibe. Space isn't skimped either. Rear legroom hovers around 35.2 inches, trunk space spans about 17 cubic feet, and the feeling matches a classic BMW. Compact yet comfortable and functional. Let's dig into standard tech and packages. Every 2026 3 Series features the curved center screen, 14. 9-inch and a 12.3-inch driver cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, cloud navigation, Sensa-Tech seating, and optional upgrades like premium and convenience packages that add features like heated steering wheel, head-up display, Harman Kardon stereo, remote engine start, and enhanced driver assist features. Safety and driver aids include lane keeping assist, forward collision mitigation, speed limit recognition, and available packages like parking assistance, auto park, 360-degree cameras, and driving assistance professional traffic jam assist. Adaptive cruise, making this one of the most tech-rich sedans on the market. Let me layer in a vision from Auto Express. They highlight this model as a battle-ready challenger in its class, targeting the next-gen Mercedes CLA's AZLA, among others, with both petrol and electric powertrains, keeping BMW competitive on both fronts. It's clear BMW playing smart, offering both electric and ICE so they can keep existing fans happy while transitioning toward an electrified future. As for arrival timing, expect ICE models to hit showrooms in early 2026, with the electric i3 showing up later that year depending on supply and logistics. That gives Auto Street viewers a clear timeline for when to weigh between the last great ICE 3 Series or jump on the EV bandwagon. And there you have it. If you're into elegant design, high-tech interiors, performance, or electric innovation, the 2026 BMW 3 Series may just be the most compelling all-rounder we've seen from BMW in years. Whether you lean ICE or EV, BMW is keeping the ultimate driving machine alive. Let me know in the comments, are you all in for the electric i3 sedan or sticking with the petrol-powered legacy? What features are you most excited about? Subscribe to Auto Street if this breakdown revved your interest, and hit that like button while you're at it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, where we'll bring you more insider auto insights.